guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is lesson 6 of Python, in which we are going to learn about how to find list length, data types of list items, data type of list. The previous subtopic is about data type of list items, but the next one is data type of list. So I will tell you the difference between both of these. Then list constructor. Here it is a function with the help of which we can create a list. And how we can access list items, there are many ways to access list and I will show you all of them. And then how to check if the item exists. Like there are many items in the list and we want to know whether one item is present or not in the list. So to check that, there is one function. I will tell you that in the further video. So first topic is list length. To find the list length, we use len function, and this is the coding you can see. Here I have created a list with name this list, and it contains 3 values: apple, banana and cherry, and I want to find its length. How many values are there, how many items are present in the list. So for that I have to code like this: print, then inside bracket len is for length, and then inside bracket whose length we want the length of the list, whose name is this list, so we will put the name of the list. And in the output you can see we are getting 3. So that's what I wanted to. Let me just code it over here. So we are going to create a list. Let me name it as fruits equal to, and then inside square bracket I am going to put the values like grapes, orange and mango. So these are the 3 values I have in my list named fruits. Now let me just print its length. So print inside bracket, what I want to print, I want to print its length. So len is the function for getting the length. And then inside one more bracket I want to specify which list. So for that I am creating this bracket, that is the name of my list is fruits, and I will close the bracket, and one more because I have created here 2 brackets. Yes, so I have to close it, close it both. Now let me just see the output. Run module and OK to save, and you can see I am getting the number 3. That's because I have 3 values: grapes, orange and mango. So this is how we can use len method. Now let us move to the next topic: data types of list items. So in this we are going to learn that which kind of data we can enter in a list. We can enter integers, string, boolean, and it can be of any data type. Yes, you can see. So like here I have entered string. Yes, and I can also give numbers here like 23, 25 and 27. Now there's no need of this len. Now let me just run it. Run module. OK to save, and you can see I'm getting all the 3 values without any error. So we can put any kind of data type in this list. Now let's move to the next topic. This was about the data type of list item. Now let us see the data type of list. Actually I have typed here wrong, it is on the list. So our list can contain, no, it is correct. Our list can contain different data types. Only one list can contain string, integers and all different types if you want. So like here I can put orange in between the numbers. Yes, so I have a string, 2 integers, I have two kind of data types in only one list. So let me see what will happen. You can see without any error I am getting all the three. So that means it is also acceptable in list. Now comes the type of list. So from Python's perspective, lists are defined as objects with a data type list. So if I try to find out the data type of my list, then type, then I will get class list. See, class list. So this is the data type of a list. Now let's learn about list constructor. So like we are creating a list like this. We are just naming the list equal to, and with the help of square bracket we are specifying that this is a list. But if we don't want to code it like this, we want to create it in another way, then there is also a method. Just name your list like we have to do, then equal to list, specify that what it is list. So and then note here, you all have to use here double bracket, round brackets, and that is really important. Now I am going to put the values apple, banana, and grapes. So two things are important. You have to write here list, and you have to use double round brackets. That will specify that this is a list, and this is the another method to create a list. So this is the list constructor. Now let me just print it. Print fruits. Okay, to save. And now see, I am getting the list in square brackets only, so the output will be same, but the method of creating the list is different. Now let's move to the next topic. Now how can we access the item? So there are many methods. The first one is by using the index. Here we will get only one value of the list, only one item of the list, as we are going to put a specific index number. I hope you all remember that the first value of the list has the index 0, then 1, then 2, and it goes on as the values, as much the values are there. So the first one is 0. Now let me just say print fruits. I'm using the same list over here. Print fruits, and inside square bracket I'm putting the value. I want to print the or at 3 or at 2. So just see the value with the index number 2. This is 0, this is 1, this will be 1, and this is 2. So at the index 2 there is grapes. So let's see whether grapes is coming or not. Only grapes, not the whole list, as we have accessed one item. You can see only grapes is coming as we have specified the index number of grapes. Now let's see the another method for accessing the list items. This is negative indexing. Right now we did positive indexing. We have entered a positive index number, but now I will enter a negative index number like -1. So -1 refers to the last item in the list, and -2 refers to the second last, and this goes on like this only. So let me put -1, or I can put here -2 for banana. Let's see whether banana is coming or not. Okay, to save. and you can see a banana is coming. So this is negative indexing. Now the next topic is range of indexes. How we can specify a range? Like, let me just modify my list. Let me put more values in it. Pineapple, cherry, mango, melon, berries, kiwi, and I think this much is enough. Let me just hit enter over here. Get this in a new line so that it will be visible. Now we can put a range of indexes, and like from I want the values from the position 2, from grapes to berries if I want. So this is over here, grapes is at 2, pineapple 3, cherry 4, mango 5, melon 6, and berries 7. So let me get the list from the index number 2 to 7. Let's see what is the output. The first one is grapes and the last one is berries, and you will notice that berries will not be there. So this is a point to note, that the index number which you are putting over here will not be displayed. The index number before it, the value in that index number will be displayed, not the one you have specified over here. So this here also it is written, note that the item in position 5 which is specified over here is not included. So this is the positive indexing, range of positive indexes. Now there is negative range of negative indexes also. First let us discuss this one. So over here, if we leave the first value, the list will be displayed from the starting, and if we leave this last value and put the first value, then the list will be displayed till the end. So you can try it out. And now negative indexes, range of negative indexes. Again, it will start from end, and you can see over here index -1, which is written over here for the end value, is excluded, which I told you just now, that the number which is written over here will not be the value on that index number will not be displayed, but the value of the index number which is before it will be displayed, not this one. So same is over here, this is excluded and this is included. The first value, starting value is index number is included, and the ending one is excluded. So let me just I want it to start from minus, to show from -2, that is second last value, but for that I have to type here -1, and till I want it -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till I want, till pineapple I want, so -6. Now let me just run the module. See, till pineapple it is coming, and from berries, let me see the berry, so it is at second last. So you can see it is working. Now let's if we want to check if the item exists in the list, so for that we will use n keyword. So now this is our list fruits. I am going to say if, and then put the value in double quotes. So like I can put mango, if mango, in fruits. If mango is present in the fruits, then what it have to do is print yes, mango is in the fruits list. Double quotes and this. Now let's check what will be the result. You can see mango is there, so we have to get yes, mango is in the fruits list. Let's check whether it is coming or not. You can see yes, mango is in the fruits list. So this is how you can check if the item exists. Now the further videos that will come will be related to Python, will be on the topic list. So there are many things to learn about list, and we will cover them in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.